my friends, welcome back. Thank you for joining me for another video. Okay, second last painting in the All About That Base series. Okay, I gotta say I'm pretty excited because I am exhausted. Okay. If you saw my last video, you would have seen the debacle, I guess you could say, with what happened on how I blew that out. I'm looking at it, it's right over here. And yes, I should have taken a break, but I can't. I really want to get these done because I need to pack up my studio and pack everything up. So I want to get these videos done for you guys. And so I'm moving on to the next painting. Yes, I am. So I've got here a 12 by 16 inch canvas. And the color I'm using is a bright yellow of Primary Yellow by Amsterdam, and you can see it is a semi-opaque or semi-transparent, sorry. All right, so Primary Yellow, that is my base. Now, Pinterest colors. These are on the iffy side. So I could have done some really pretty mauve, orange, crimson or quinacridone and purples with this. It would have looked gorgeous. But I saw this color palette right here on Pinterest, and I thought the picture was beautiful. And then I'm like, no, I'm going to put those colors together and we're going to see what happens. So this is what this is all about. Stepping out of my comfort zone and doing colors that I would never think to put together. So that is what I'm going to do today. And the colors I'm going to start with, or the color I'm going to start with is Olive Green Deep by Amsterdam. And then I have Pearl Lilac by Arteza. Then I have Pearl Tangerine Orange by Arteza. And then Pearl Cactus Green by Arteza. So 3 Artezas, 1 regular color. Look, I got blue fingers. And then here is my base. And then flower hair dryer. So this is going to be interesting because these colors are super weird, right? Like, let's see how this works out. So I've got my base paint already done and ready to go. Everything is mixed with water and Floetrol. So I am going to speed you guys up while I get my base paint down. So I shall be right back. Okay, everybody, I'm ready to go, and this thing is bright. Reminds me of the reflex orange painting I did because that was super duper bright as well. This is very, very bright. Okay, so I'm gonna stick to I'm just looking at my table. I forgot to show you guys in my last video. I said I was gonna show you guys the table. I will try to remember to show you guys in this one. The table. I'll try. I'm just a scatterbrain today. So I think I'm going to just do, what do I want to do? I really like the half curved designs I've been doing. So I'm going to do that one. Yeah, because I did a wispy 2 videos ago because I'm looking at it right over there, the hot pink one. So I like the curved pattern. So I'm going to do that. I'm just going to do that, and let's see what happens. All right, so whoa, Green Bay Packers, Green Bay Packers. There we go. Where are my Green Bay Packer fans? So I did a Miami Dolphins painting. Here's your beginning of your Green Bay Packer, but I'm about to ruin that with the lilac. But that is so Green Bay Packers. All right, lilac. I don't know how this is going to turn out. I'm actually really afraid on this one. The picture on Pinterest looks good. But I'm not really sure how this is going to pan out. We shall see. And I'm really loading on the colors because I don't want the same mistake to happen from the last video where I didn't have enough to blow it out. All right, cactus green on the top. Okay. Usually after I lay down the colors, I look at it and I say, ooh, this is pretty. I'm not saying that about this because I don't think it looks pretty. I don't know. I hope I'm going to prove myself wrong. And I hope Pinterest is right once again. because they've been right for the whole 20 other paintings I've done. This is painting 21. Painting 22 is right over here, and then I'm finished. But I don't know what's going to happen here, so... And I'm going to not speed through it, so let's get started. Whether to laugh or cry. Pinterest, you failed me. I don't know. I don't know what to think. I think what's throwing me off in this painting is the tangerine orange. It looks so yucky. Oh, you know what? I had to try it though. I did. I really had to try it. Yeah, no. First fail, color-wise, first fail, out of 20 paintings, Pinterest-inspired colors. This is my first, I don't like it. Yeah, definitely don't like it. I actually like the way I blew it out, and I'm actually really starting to like this design that I'm doing, this composition. I actually really like it a lot. But I'm not happy with the tangerine. I wish there was less of it. I kind of wish I had put it down first. I think I put it down last or close to last. Yeah. So the tangerine's throwing me off. So I'm going to try and fix it a little bit. So give me a second here. What I want is to get rid of that. All right, and then now because I did that, I gotta fix the edge because there's green going down the side, and that's a big no-no because there's no green going down the side anymore. So you got to make sure you clean that off because it's going to dry and it's going to show green. And then when you look at the canvas, it's all yellow here, but then you look at the side and there's no green, and that just doesn't match. And to me, I think that looks absolutely horrible. It just shows that you didn't take the time to fix your edges, because this is important, but so is this. Super important. I mean, for me, I cannot stress that enough. Drives me bonkers, sorry, when I see other paintings, I'm not going to mention names, but when I see that, and what am I doing? I'm fixing my edges while I'm talking to you guys. I usually do that off camera. Anywho, I think I want to try and kind of get rid of this. So let me get my stool here. All right, let's see if I can somehow push some of this orange tangerine out. No, probably not. Or maybe. That's a little better, but I better not fidget with it too much because then I might really ruin it a lot. All right, so I don't like that green showing on the top like that. It just looks horrible. I'm gonna fix that off camera. So I'm not gonna do anything else to this. there's got to be someone out there who really likes this. So I'm going to just fix my edges. I'm going to bring you guys in for a close-up. Be right back. All right, everybody. So it's kind of looking really gray to me, like especially here. Like it's really looking dark. It'll be interesting to see how this dries though. But I'm going to call this one Pinterest fail. Yep, that's what I'm going to call it. It is a Pinterest fail to me. I should have stuck to my gut and done like the magentas and the purples and the orange on this and the quinacridone, because it would have looked gorgeous with the yellow. It would have, but I wanted to do something different and it bit me in the butt. What are you going to do? So here it is. I've already scraped my drips. So let me bring you in for a close-up so you can really see how ugly this is. I'm not gonna lie, I don't like it. But is there someone out there who does? Like, tell me though, seriously, and you can tell me, don't lie. What do you think about this? Let me know in the comments below. I'm just so not a fan of this, and I will be the first to admit it. But I'm very curious to know, is there anyone out there watching who actually does like it? I want to know, and I'll be pleasantly surprised if I read the comments below and there are people who like it. So tell me what you guys think about this one in the comments below. I'm not even going to turn off the lights on this one. There's no point on this one. So again, oh, so there's the last painting before that. But yeah, I've been working really hard and I guess I'm really tired. And then I'll show you a quick glimpse. Here are all my other paintings. They're all dry. There is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 16 paintings there. So those are my All About That Base series paintings. These are, what day is it today? November 23rd. So today's the 23rd and they're all here, but when you guys watch this in mid-January, actually almost end of January, it'll be, who knows, we'll see. But so there you have it, everybody. Let me know what you guys think about this in the comments below. And until next time, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day, have a good night, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care, bye.